Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm making another easy dinner idea meal. This one is perfect for a weekend night. If you want to see how I made this one, guys, just stick around. Let's head straight to the kitchen, guys. Here I have some chicken wings I already washed and cut. I wash with vinegar and lime, and the seasoning I'm using is garlic powder, salt, black pepper, paprika, lemon pepper, chicken season, and parsley leaf. A full list of all the things I use will be in the description box below. And I'm going to season this, allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, then we move on to the other steps. Moving along, time to prepare my coating. Here I have a plastic bag and I'm using this for easy cleanup. To the bag I'm going to add flour, cornstarch, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. And I'm going to shake the bag to combine all the things I add. Then we put our marinated chicken wings, shake to coat, shake off the excess flour, and we can start fry. Here I already have a pot with oil heating up. It's a medium to low flame. We don't want high flame, we want our wings to cook. And I'm going to add my wings, allow to fry until golden brown and completely cook. After which we remove from oil and continue with the other pieces. Time for preparing my tostones. Here I have some plantain already peeled. Now I'm cutting them in small pieces. I'm going to add them to my oil and allow to fry. After which we're going to remove from oil. For my tostone presser, it got broken. So for pressing the tostones, I'm going to use paper towel. And guys, it did the job perfect. After which we're going to replace them back in the oil until they are crispy. Then we can sprinkle with some salt and we move on. Here are my tostones already finished, and now we're going to dip our chicken wings in the sweet chili sauce. Then we can do our plating. Okay, time for plating. Here I have a little salsa I made with fresh parsley, red onion, cucumber and tomato, and I make a dressing with olive oil, salt, black pepper and lime juice. And here I'm placing my tostones around that. And also I'm going to add my wings on the other side. I'm going to garnish with fresh parsley leaf and sesame seed. Then we can devour. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And also we'll test this out for a weekend dinner night. You guys will definitely enjoy it. And please put your notification bell on, guys. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please consider subscribing and join the family. And as usual, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, bye.